there's a plastic bag. Hold on a minute. Let me lock in. 78! 79! Oh shit! That shit leaking. Holy shit. I'm gonna get fucking shot. Alright, I finally picked a better location than the rest of the two videos. Shit. Look how fucking nice it is. There's the bikey. Bikey's alright. I need to start covering up my number plate when I'm doing this because the editing is taking the piss a little bit. I'll be honest with you. Look at it. Ooh. Now everything, it feels like everything's loose again. What the fuck, man? Alright, you know what? Let's get going. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I've kind of lost my ND filters. All of them. I don't know where the fuck they've gone. I put them in my bag. The case that they were all in. They're just fucking gone. I don't know. I hope they're somewhere at home. Because if they're not, I'm gonna have to fucking spend another 32 quid on getting some ND filters. And I kind of don't want to do that. Anyways, I've got ND8 on. I hope it's enough, but there's no clouds in the sky whatsoever. It might be a bit too bright. Anyways, there was absolutely no fucking way I'm staying home today. I've just got back from work. Like, look at this. Fuck, it's so nice. Anyways, I'm heading to a spot. Well, I think it's pretty decent from what I saw when we were riding with the boys. Of where I can take some fucking nice photos of the bike. One thing that I really need to improve is my storytelling on this. Or at least have some kind of structure to the video instead of it just being fucking boring as fuck. I feel like my last video that I made was fucking boring as shit. If you watched it, thank you, but I'm gonna be honest with myself, I think it was boring. I'm heading on an A road right now. I'm gonna try fucking sending the bike. It's been a minute, because all I've been doing is fucking commuting to work. Did I just hear an ambulance? I swear I just heard an ambulance. Nah, there's none. Is that an M4? That might be an M4, you know. Pretty soon as well, I'm gonna go to a bike meet. It's Jay-Z's bike meet. I put his Insta right here. Now this guy's a complete madman on a 125. He's on the CB as well. He pulls wheelies. He does knee knockers, if that's what they're called. I'm not sure. It's fucking mad. He's mad at it. Oh fuck. But yeah, probably the next video that you're gonna see is probably me at a bike ride. Hopefully, there's gonna be some mad shit. I'm hoping to see some wheelies. Hopefully nobody crashes. And hopefully I can take some fucking sick pictures of people. Because mainly that's what I want to do. A few things that I need to sort out this year is just getting that fucking like scare / anxiety just fucking gone. Of just making content, because this is the type of shit I want to do. And I've been putting it off for years. Absolute fucking years. And I'm sick of it. Like, if someone I know finds this channel, hello. Fuck it, I don't care anymore, man. I've had so many YouTube channels in the past. Oh, there's a plastic bag. Hold on a minute. Let me lock in. Alright, didn't hit it. Thanks fuck for that. But yeah, I've had so many YouTube channels in the past. And I've been bullied for it all. If I get bullied for this, I don't give a fuck anymore, you know? Like, fuck it. But yeah, shit needs to change this year. I need to change. I'm sick of the same shit. Hold on, can we hit 80? 77! 78! 79! 80! Woo! Hold on, I need to relax. I need to relax. We're going into that truck in a minute. Where's that have that? Where's my bag? There it is. Alright. If you like my content, watch it. If you don't, do not watch it. That's what I gotta say. I don't want to be stagnant anymore. I want to go to as many bike rides as I can this year. Meet as many people as I can. Take some fucking nice photos and videos. Figure that shit out a bit more maybe. But yeah, that's the plan. Oh shit! That shit leaking. What the fuck's in there? What the fuck? Oh, we ain't gonna question it, you know. I hope it's not too bright for y'all. It's ND8. I don't think it's it. I need a 32. At least. You know, I just realised, I didn't even think about this. There's supposed to be like a cafe there, from what I've seen on Google Maps. It might actually be closed. Oh shit, we don't want to be doing that. Alright, let's go. I want to get some fucking mad photos of this. I've been looking for a field for so long where there's maybe grass. It'd be sick if there were flowers, maybe some trees in the background, or just nothing. Just the sky, like you'll be so nice. Let me lock in, hold on. Oh, it's so nice! Oh, it's beautiful! It better not be too bright for y'all, because I can't fix it in post. I've tried. The thing as well is I'm trying to learn how to wheelie, and I think I'm getting there. Low-key, I think I'm getting there. I can get the wheel up somewhat high, nowhere near the balance point though. So let me rephrase that. I can get the wheel up a little bit, but the 125, it just doesn't have any power. Like, I'm 100 kg, right? So I'm fat as fuck. I know positioning matters on this bike a lot more than any bigger bike. But literally, I can't get the wheel to balance point whatsoever without it just dropping. Like, I've bounced the fucking forks. I've sat back on the seat. I tried standing up as well. Oh, that's nice. What's that? It didn't look like a jigsaw. I don't know what the fuck that bike was. I've tried, and I'm gonna keep trying. I am thinking of maybe swapping my rear sprocket for the bigger one just so I can learn how to wheelie. Because my thought process is, if I learn how to wheelie on a 125, I can basically wheelie anything. And not only that, the more I fuck up my beautiful 125, which I kind of don't want to, but it is what it is, that's the price you pay, the cheaper it is to repair it. As I was learning how to wheelie, my first day, I spent about 2 hours. It was an abandoned parking lot that I went to. I found it on Google Maps. I was like, fuck it, this shit's local, this shit's nice. Let me go there. I get there and there's just a bunch of gravel everywhere. So I keep moving forward. I find this road bit. And I start practicing there. I ain't gonna lie, shit was scary. I'll be honest with you, like, I'm scared of dropping my bike. Like, I genuinely do love this bike. And I don't want to fuck it up. But then again, I need to learn how to wheelie because it'll be sick. Like, could you imagine the photos? Not only that, none of the other boys know how to wheelie properly. And honestly, it'll be kind of sick if I do how to wheelie, because all of them, they're all on bigger bikes. So I reckon if I pull one of them just randomly, they'll be like, what the fuck? But yeah, let me get back to it. So basically, I was learning how to wheelie for like about 2 hours. And I got really tired, so I chilled for a second. And then I saw a gravel patch. I was like, you know what? Whilst I'm here, let me learn how to do a fucking donut. Because I somewhat understand the concept of how to do one. You pull the front brake in, you rev the shit out of it, you drop the clutch. That's not how you do it, apparently. My bike has got ABS, which I completely forgot. What's that guy looking at? I think he likes the bike. But yeah, I stood there, pulled my front brake in, nudged it forward and backward a little bit just to see if the brakes actually engaged properly, and it wasn't moving. So I was like, you know what, this is perfect, let me just try this, right? I revved it a bit, dropped the clutch at about 6k RPM, fucking ABS kicked in, sent me fucking flying, lad. I'll put a video up right now of the damages of the bike. Mate, fuck me, I fell off. Fucking all this is fucked. It's not too bad. This is fucked a bit. This came off. It's in my pocket. Mate, this is fucked. And then this. I can't fucking use my back brakes till I get home. Fucking. The only thing that realistically broke was my my front brake. Only a little bit. I used a bit of the left to fix the right. So now I basically two-finger my clutch, which is a lot better. I forgot that there might be speed cameras here. I'm not 100% sure. My bottom peg, I had to bend it back in place basically. I've left it a bit of it like crunched up, because I feel like that's a bit better than just having it fully out. My beautiful exhaust got fucking scraped. The side of one of my plastics got scraped. Now I guess this is lucky. If I broke my leg, well, that would have been unlucky. But luckily I didn't break my leg. But the bike landed on my foot, and it kind of saved the engine bit. So I think I cushioned it. But yeah, I got back up and I kept trying to wheelie. But yeah, one thing I've learned, do not try fucking doing a donut with ABS on. I'm gonna wait maybe till I have a bigger bike to learn it. Preferably that doesn't have ABS, or maybe I could just turn it off. I don't know. Alright, I'm not sure, but I think it's one of these. I have to turn right somewhere. Unless I passed it, I don't know. Oh, wait, I think this is the field. Wait a minute, I think I passed it. No, it's right here, isn't it? Oh, look at that, that's so nice. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm gonna get fucking shot. Yeah, you know what, if I do it quickly, I don't think they'll care. Damn, this is what I've been looking for, you know? Actually peak. I need to turn the back around actually. I'm just hoping there's no bullshit spikes anywhere here, because these are brand new tyres. Oh, it's slippy. Oh, there's fucking moss on the ground. Mate, if people walk past and think, what am I doing? So honestly, I should probably go ask. I'm not doing anything bad, at least, you know what I mean? Show some nice fucking pictures of the bike, man. Right, hopefully they'll get an angry farmer with a shotgun coming at me. But fuck, it's nice here, man. Fucking hell, mate. Alright, this is the main reason I came here. I'm a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'll take one photo or two, and I'll be on my merry way, I think. Oh, I forgot I need to do some settings. Oh, it's actually clean as fuck. I'll put the settings that I'm using on the camera right now. I need to tend my bars. I really hope I don't want to get shot, man, or robbed, that worst case scenario. I don't know who owns this farm. Oh, they're so clean. Yeah, I just really hope no fucking farmer comes at me. Lunges at me like it's DBD. Alright, let me fucking get going. Check out my Instagram. All these photos will just be going up there. Any kind of reels I make, I'm learning or doing anything on the bike or camera related shit, it will all be on my Instagram. Oh, hopefully I don't sound like a fucking neek. Let's get the fuck out of here. Genuinely, before I get shot. I'm sure they're nice people. I really am. And I just want to say, if you're watching this field is beautiful. I've not done anything to damage it. Hopefully not. You know what? Fuck it. Let me go see what's at the end of this. Oh my days. You know, you don't need a lot to be happy in life. Look at all this, man. What, you all be some kind of fucking drug? I think it is just a farm. Yeah, it is. Alright. I'm not sure. Yeah, let me just turn the fuck around for this. There's a lake here, that's why as well. Oh my days. I need a picture of this place, man. This is mad. Oh, my kickstand. What are you doing? Yeah, this place is fucking mad. Yeah, there's a van. Fuck. Alright, he's not mad about it. You know what, bless him, you know what, fuck it. Any other time I've done this in the past, not regarding taking pictures of a bike or whatever the fuck, but just being anywhere kind of like this, I've just been told off, like every time. So that's why I'm kind of sketched out. But you know what, these people are fucking nice. They don't give a fuck. I need to walk backward. Further. Oh yeah, that's actually so nice. I'd love to get the bike just in the middle of this, but it's too high. Alright, let's get out of here. Look how nice it is though. You just can't say nothing. Oh shit, there's a guy coming. But yeah, I need to get all the boys with their bikes on there. I think it'll be so sick. If we just line them up. Oh, it'll be so nice. It'll be so nice. But yeah, I'll be doing a lot more shit like this. Hopefully the next video that you see is either me riding with the boys or me at the ride out. Either way. Oh shit! Oh my days! Oh my days! I almost went down, you know. Was that a pothole? Was that gravel? Holy shit! I need to keep my eyes peeled.